Before we get started, you'll want to remove your reptiles so they are not in the way. First thing you'll need to do is remove this back panel. And all it is very gently pulling away all the way for the entire length. Just be gentle as you don't want to break it. It should, a little bit of finagling, come off with no problem. Now I'll show you really quick. It's going to have these clips that go in all the way over. Now once that's removed, you can set it off to the side. Now, that was step 1, remove your animal. Step 2, remove the back. Step 3, look behind where the handle should be and you will see 2 screws. So here's the handle. You're going to see back here that there are 2 screws. 1 and 2. One is on the latch and the other is on the handle. Remove both screws and the remaining part of the old handle. Pull the latch out, being sure to make sure both the screws, the washer, and latch. You may get rid of the old spring. So this is also what you're seeing, and we're going to go ahead and do that now. You can remove this. Might shoot out a little bit, hence why we removed the inhabitant. And this screw, this spring, you can remove that as well. Now, this. You're going to need washer, spring, and 2 screws. Now take your pieces out of this bag. You're going to want to make sure that the piece you took off is going to match the piece that you're about to use. So like this one is the opposite, so we're not going to need that one. We will need this one because it matches. So that piece. And then do the same thing with this lever piece. We need this one because it's for that side. As you can see, it matches up. Now, place the long end of the new spring in the latch as shown and use a small piece of Scotch tape to hold it in place. So you're going to want to take the long end and place it like this and tape it there. It's taped. Then you're going to take this and you're going to put it in place, making sure the screw goes over this little circle here. Okay. I'm going to take here. Now I like to use this to try and keep it in place, so I just stick it through here, just to kind of keep it raised. I found this easier with a screwdriver. Definitely the most difficult part is getting that spring put into place. And then all you have to do is replace both screws. Be sure to use the washer on the screw holding the spring in place. Replace the back place of the plastic strip that we took off earlier, and we'll be good. Take your washer and your screw, and you're going to put it over where the spring is. Just like that. And once that one's on, just take your other screw and you put it over here on the back of the lever. Just like that. Now your lever works. Now you can add back in your scaly friend and test. Ta-da!